In this problem, a small ring A of mass m is attached to at an end of a light string and the other end of which is tied to a block of B of mass 2m. The ring is free to move on a fixed smooth horizontal rod as can be seen. Now find the velocity of A when the string becomes vertical and tension in the string when it becomes vertical. So, as the rod is smooth, there is no force in horizontal direction. So, in horizontal direction, momentum will be conserved. And let us assume that when B block comes down because of its weight, the A block moves rightward, B block has a motion downward as well as leftward. When the string becomes vertical, let A has moved to this particular position and velocity of A at this moment is u. The string became vertical and velocity of the block B, let it be v, and it has mass 2m, and at this moment the string becomes vertical. Initially when they were released, the momentum was 0. So final momentum will also be 0. So here from we can write mu minus 2mv is equal to 0, or v is equal to u by 2. And as the block comes out by a distance L, then due to the work done by gravitational force, both the blocks get kinetic energy. Ring and block gets kinetic energy. So here from we have work done by gravity 2 mgl is equal to change in kinetic energies. So we have half mu square plus half 2m into v square. Putting v to be equal to u by 2, we can write half mu square plus half 2m into u square by 4. So it is half mu square into 1 plus half, or half mu square into 3 by 2. So here from we have 2 mgl is equal to half mu square into 3 by 2. This m is cancelled. So we have u to be equal to under root 8gl by 3. So speed of the ring at the moment when the string becomes vertical, that is the velocity of ring is under root 8gl by 3. Now second part says tension in the string when it becomes vertical. Now for tension in the ring when the string becomes vertical, at this moment the relative velocity of 2m, v relative is equal to v plus u with respect to the point of suspension, that is equal to u plus u by 2 or 3u by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2 under root 8gl by 3. Or we have this to be equal to under root 6gl. So this is the relative velocity when the string becomes vertical. So at this moment, if T be the tension in the string, then 2 mg plus 2m v relative square by L, this will give the total tension. So T is equal to 2 mg plus 2m by L v relative square, that is equal to 6gl. So here from we obtain tension to be equal to 12 plus 2, 14 mg. That is the tension in the string when the string becomes vertical.